In this quick video, we're going to show you how to correctly install the weld visor onto a new Z-Link. First, you'll need to get a small screwdriver and gently pry the caps that cover the pivot points off on either side of the Z-Link. With those caps now removed, you can then open the visor, and you'll notice that there's two spots to store these in, located on the air distribution vent on the inside. This is so that you've got them for when you need them if you're not using the weld visor, and you can then cover those pivot points up with those caps. Now you can take your welding visor and simply place it in place and then squeeze together on the 2 points on the sides. If you don't hear a positive click on each side, then it hasn't installed correctly. So you may need to lift the visor up and gently rotate it until you hear that positive click. When you come to remove your weld visor, you always want to make sure you remove it in the down position. This way, when you come to put the visor back in place, you know that it's always in that down position and it clips together easily. So to remove the weld visor now, you simply just pry it apart on those pivot points and it then comes apart. So that's how to correctly install and remove the welding attachment for the Z-Link.